Hello, good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very good. Okay, my dear, I'm also very good and energetic. You also be good and energetic. My dear students, as you know, we are discussing a chapter which name is the enormous turnip. Yes, the enormous turnip. And which I discussed in today's live class. We will discuss here the same. But if you don't have if you don't have Google Meet app in your mobile, then please download this app in your mobile. Okay, my dear, you please download this in your mobile. Yes, because of via this mobile app we can talk face to face live. You can ask me any question if you have doubt. So it is very important. You all are requested to download this app and take live classes also. Okay, my this class is dedicated to those students who have no more smartphones because of their mobile phone is not able to install to download Google Meet app. I'm request to those parents also, you also please purchase a new cell phone, because of this is a matter of our children future, and nothing is better than our children should be our top priority. And please adjust and please cut your others expenditure. Please 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 it is my request to also, my dear students, without wasting time, we are going to start this class. And see, you will enjoy this class. Yes, so first of all we will see the new words from the chapter the enormous turnip. And when we read this, when we read the name of this chapter, we get the word enormous. What is this enormous? Already I have explained you, but one more I am explaining here. Enormous means very big in size, very large in size, huge, very big, very big in size. Generally you can see the turnip just like this types, but in this lesson you see the turnip very big. That was bigger than a baby girl, that was bigger than girls and boy. Okay, you have seen that picture in your book. Okay, that was very big. That means it was enormous. If you see the tree very big, then you can say to that this tree is enormous tree. Okay, understood? Very good, very good. So see the next, turnip. Turnip, as you know, this is the name of vegetables, and you generally you eat these vegetables, so there is no need to explain. And we eat the root of this vegetables, and root of this vegetables is round shaped. Okay, so come to the next, old man. Old man, you everyone know old man, an elderly male person. See, my dear students, your brother is male, your father is male, your godfather is male, your teacher Mitra is male. Okay, and your mother is female, your sister is female, your mother Pooja ma'am is female. So I hope you understand, you understood the meaning of male and female. And who is old man? Old man is an elderly male person, male, you have no, you have got the meaning of you have got it, the meaning of male. No, if you are confused taking the meaning of elderly, then I will explain this also. Elder, look, there is two words, elder and younger. If your brother is, if your brother is bigger than you, then he is your elder brother. And if your brother is smaller than you, smaller means small in, not in size, I'm talking about small in age, I'm talking about in the context of age. अगर आपके भाई की एज आपसे कम है, that is younger brother. And if your brother age is more than you, then he is elder brother. So elderly वहीं से ही बनता है। एल्डरली फीमेल पर्सन को बोलते हैं वुमेन, और एल्डरली मेल पर्सन को बोलते हैं ओल्ड मैन। एंड पुल्ड, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पुल्ड। पुल्ड मीन्स होता है टू मूव इन अ स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन। इफ वी विल पुल लाइक दिस, सपोज दिस इज अ डोर एंड आई विल पुल दिस लाइक दिस towards my side, and if I will do like this, it means I am pressing this, I am pushing this. And if I will pull, and I will pull like this, if I will do like this, it means I am pulling this. You can see the word on a door also, there is a stickers pull and push. Pull means to move in a specific direction, to move in itself towards. If I am pulling, it means I'm doing like this, and if I'm pushing, I'm doing like this, I'm doing like this. So pushing and pulling both are opposite words. Okay, so we have understood, I mean you have understood the meaning of pulling, pushing, old man, elder, male, females, and anonymous and turnip. So my dear, come to the next, and here we will see the few questions and their answer in the on next screen. Yes, see the next slide of this chapter. Yes, you are seeing here question and answer, and question, first question is, what did the old man plant? What did the old man plant? You know very well, you know very well, turnip seeds. What he plant? He planted turnip seeds. So our answer will be, we will start from the questions always. Our 50% answer, our half answer is already present in our question. How? Let's see what did the old man plant. It is your questions. So you can see here, the old man, if here is did, so we will make plant to planted. अगर यहाँ पर बेटा डिड है तो हम प्लांट का आंसर में प्लांटेड कर देते हैं, ये पास्ट फॉर्म हो जाती है, ठीक है इसकी। लेकिन अगर वहाँ पे डू डज होता तो हम ऐसे ही सेम चीज रखते। अगर क्वेश्चन होता व्हाट डज द ओल्ड मैन प्लांट, सो हम करते द ओल्ड मैन प्लांट फ्यू सम टर्निप सीड्स। ओके, आई होप इट्स क्लियर। सो बेटा देखेंगे आप, क्वेश्चन को मैंने ऑलरेडी राइट कर दिया है क्योंकि वीडियो फिर ज़्यादा लंबी हो जाती है। सी द आंसर, द ओल्ड मैन planted some turnip seeds. The old man planted some turnip seeds. Yes, and no, see the next question. Why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Why was it difficult to pull up the turnip? Why? Think in your mind. Why it was difficult? Yes, You have got it in your mind, the answer of this. Because this turnip was very big in size. That's why it creating difficulty. Okay, that's why it was creating difficulty, because of this turnip was very big in size. Okay, so come to the next. And next, who ate the enormous turnip? Who, सॉरी हमने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को एक मिस कर दिया है. Who helped him? Him means, here is him means the old man. Who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Yes, who helped me? Who helped him? I know that you know very well. They are old women, boy and girl. Yes, these are three persons who helped to old man to pull up that enormous turnip. You have seen already, and also you can see right now in your book, and I know that you know very well. Okay, who helped him? Old man, we can say, and old man, boy and a girl. These three persons help to old man to pull up the enormous turnip. अब how we will write the answer? How we will write? देखो हम कैसे इसको राइटिंग करेंगे, इस आंसर की कैसे लिखेंगे? द ओल्ड मैन कोमा द बॉय कोमा एंड, सॉरी हम ओल्ड वीमेन बोलेंगे, द ओल्ड वीमेन कोमा द बॉय कोमा द एंड द गर्ल हेल्प्ड, and the girl helped him. Him means the old man helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Okay, is it clear? Very good, very good, super. So my dear students, come to the next. Yes, we will discuss here next. Who ate the enormous turnip? Who ate the enormous turnip? Who ate? They all are at the enormous turnip. They means the old man, the old woman, the boy and the girl at the enormous turnip. It's very easy. Okay. So how we will write the answer? How we will write? The old man, comma, the old woman, comma, the boy and the girl at the enormous turnip, and they enjoy a lot by eating that enormous turnip. So would you plan to add the enormous turnip? Yes, plan, eat and enjoy. So my dear students, in this way our class is complete, and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल माय डियर. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.